So we're here on the beach in Cuba, and we just found a kid who can do the Rubik's Cube faster than that girl did on Toys and Me. Hey, what's your name?
Mateos.
All right, how long you been practicing the Rubik's Cube for?
5 years.
5 years. All right, so you're gonna show us how you can put together the Rubik's Cube really quick?
Yep.
Okay.
It's only 9. I've been practicing for 5 years. This is what I get for practicing. Oh my God.
Wow. Wow, that was really awesome.
Are you a robot? Yes, I am. This is what cool people do. They do mix that. Beat that, Toys and Me. I'm better than you.
All right. Ridiculous.